Now, with this is my right side saddlebag. Inside my right side saddlebag, I got my MSR cook set with oatmeal already in here inside of the 2 cups. They get stored inside the pot with that. And this is my cozy I recently made. Cozy fits around the pot to help keep items that's warmed up. Keep that warm. Keep it warm. And the top will go on to that. So that's my cozy. That's my, and all this is you can either buy that material from the hardware store. I pretty much took an old sunscreen that I use in my car, cut it up, and to make my cooking cozy. So with all of that, additionally, what also goes in here is my canister, my cooking. Well, I tell you, when you do this, you gotta figure it out. And I forgot how I put everything will go inside. Wash. Lighter. Where is my lighter? I don't see my lighter. There it is. Lighter. So that's one cook set. Second cook set is collapsible cups, bowls, collapsible cups and bowls, and pot. It all fit together. That's my Cedar Summit X pot strainer, lid strainer, all collapses together. And goes into this little bag that allows for drying and drainage. Fits into the bottom. Of my bag. Additionally, windshield for cooking. Coffee press that allows me to make fresh coffee. Press it out. My cookie gets my cozy, my coffee pot cozy. That'll help keep it warm. Help keep my boiling water warmer. And inside with this, 2 cups, creamer, coffee pot, coffee lid, now with that, so emergency food rations, last minute resort. Coffee pot goes in there. Citronella candle to frighten the bugs. Antibacterial soap. Dish soap for washing items. Fire starter kit with waterproof matches and fire starting cotton. An additional lighter so I don't have to go in my pot to get it. Personal hygiene emergency toothbrush. These are cooking utensils, a knife, spatula, tongue, extra forks. Okay, coffee, sweetener, deck of playing cards for fun, and in the top portion, rations, breakfast drink, emergency packets, instant milk, and snacking bars. All fits in this one container. £20. Now, you didn't hear me mention this because what this is actually my Corbin seat cover that I keep in the same side bag to max out the weight that I can carry. So on this side, similar items of food, as you can see, my perishables, okay? So, soups, that I take, snack, my tuna snacking items, more snacking items. Beef jerky is in there, inside the Ziploc. Citronella candles, you never know. And to max these out, to max out my weight here, and also cushion, I take old Walmart plastic bags, and I use these for my trash, being that I don't really make a lot of trash, but I do make some trash. And this way I can consolidate my one or two items, hang them on the outside of the bike, and when the opportunity allows, I can go and throw those items away. So you can see my favorite Knorr boil and eat quick rice noodle fixings. And all of those fit inside the top, help cushion, maximize. I'm sure if I gave more thought to this, I'd be able to put more in here. Oops, wow, I forgot my long fork. So my journal also goes in here, pencil, other plastic bags. And that air will go out. So what you see here is the extra items. And these extra items, and I also take my stool. So these extra items fit inside of my saddlebag, but don't cause any extra. They don't cause any extra room. What they do is, like I said, it allows me, these extra gloves, extra large gloves with rubber gloves, allow me easy access to preventive measures when riding, temperature change, things like that. And these fit in the cubby holes of your saddlebags. Now this item is an important item, and it allows you to weigh your bags so that you don't overload them. Thir 13 pounds in this one. And the most you could put inside your saddlebags is 15. This one, I'm going to have to trim that down. I did add a few items. Almost 16.5 pounds. The one on the back doesn't matter. Well, it does matter. Can't put no more than 35 pounds in the front. I only have 19 in here because I have items in there that I keep in there. So this is what you can carry in your OEM. If you like the video, share it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave comments, recommendations down below. Three-Wheel Traveler out.